I was scared. Thought I'd never see mum or dad again. Thought the mafia might come grab me. But we're here. Tunisia to Sicily. Yeah, so we've checked into Sicily now. We just gotta go on anchor and sit for 10 days. Spoke to the police, the Coast Guard, and they all said we're fine. All right, Brittany, baby cakes. Brittany's throwing the mane out. Go, sexy beast.
Still in my pajamas.
Go baby,
My muscles
go, baby,
haven't
go.
been used like this in a while.
That's how you pull out a style in your pajamas. Here it is, people. This is our new anchor. 30 kilos of hard steel. Galvanized steel, that is. Ah, this is it.
It is friggin' huge.
This is incredible. It's got like a massive like lead weight in the tip here. Oh, mama. Oh yes. What'd you say? What's that? Oh, you're gonna go deep? Oh, you want that wind? You want that 40? Oh, don't worry, you'll get your chance, buddy. You'll get your chance.
Sick.
Hey, what? Yeah, you're going down. Man, what are we gonna call him? Let's call him Thor. Thor, you're gonna do us well. Oh. Oh,
Ryan's acting like this thing's so heavy. I keep getting annoyed at Ryan because he will not just relax, he always has to be friggin' busy. Why don't you be like a normal person and sit down and read a book or something? Whoa, we just hit 8.8 knots.
We're flying.
Ticking along the bottom of Sicily, rounding this corner. That's us.
In the distance, we got SB and
there's fishing.
Pavitus.
You're cutting Ant off.
Ant just turned to us.
We didn't.
They did. And now I'm getting in trouble because I turned about 20 minutes ago and apparently I'm cutting you off. I think he's coming along the coast here and he's given up and he's gone to Portopalo as well.
Why don't we?
This is how we plan where we're going. We don't plan where we're going, we just argue about it on the way there.
I've been telling you this whole time, just go straight to Portopalo.
Yeah, and I messaged Anne already and said we're going straight to Portopalo, but I'm going to cut in and have a look anyway. Because if the off chance it's good, I'm going to stop there. I'll do it to yours. We got it on camera. So we've pulled up to Pavitus now.
I have to say, I'm quite happy with our sunshades right now because the sun would be blasting through here at the moment.
So we're doing so well sailing from Tunisia to Sicily, but we've just had to put the motor on now because the sun's going down and we're going to get to our anchorage before sunset. So the sunsets at what, 8:30, Brittany? We get there about 8:40 apparently, so there'll still be a little bit of daylight. Pavitus and Pavitus, Sunday.
We just hit 9.7, mate. That's this year's record. We had 12 overground coming through the Gibraltar Strait, 9.7 to beat. I mean, we got 23 knots of wind, and obviously we were on a surf because our whole speed is only 8.85. That's cracking on, isn't it?
Yeah, that's good. If you guys are doing that, we're probably doing 10s and 11s then.
Still behind us. The Bavaria, racing thoroughbred.
So what'd you say? 9.7. What did Ant say? He hit 9.7, didn't he, before? We'll just say 10 anyway. We hit 10 knots, Ant. Oh, now the wind's died down. Should we put the head sail out? We've got one reef in the head sail. What's going on here? Just gonna turn into wind a little bit. Get some of that speed back.
motor on. We had a really good last few hours sailing. We were flying. We were hitting like 9.6 knots and it was downwind. It was wild. It was so good. So the sun's just gone down. We're trying to get in before the sun leaves us completely. Luckily, we've been to this anchorage before. The first time we came here, we had the help of our friends. Shout out to Jeffrey from Malta. He helped us and held our hand as we crossed our first international passage. We don't really like to pull into anchorages at night if we can avoid it. The only upside is if we've been there before, you kind of know the lay of it already, so it's not as big of a deal. You guys, I'm so friggin' excited. One of the main things food-wise that I missed while we were in Tunisia was like baby greens. They also didn't have feta, so I put an entire block of feta in here. Nobody judge me.
What's up, buddy? Oh, man, we're back. Oh, my back. We're back. We're on anchor. This is it. We've got to do 10 days of quarantine. We're halfway through. So we're just gonna hang around here, swim, play. It's okay, we can't go to the beach yet, mate. You might have COVID.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
You've got lettuce in your teeth.
Oh no, I can taste it still. Where is it? Oh wow, look at that.
It's the first swim off the back of the boat for the season. Oh, don't. We don't need this anymore, Ryan.
No, that was for Finny. Jackson might use it. Look, Brittany's scared to jump in.
I feel rusty.
Haha, you still hold. Oh, I'm not jumping in then. Shall I even bother?
Ryan has this magnificent idea, but I don't want you to draw on our brand spanking new beautiful looking anchor. Do you even know how to spell Thor?
THOR. Oh wait, why don't I do it here?
Yep, there you go.
Alright.
Make it look good.
It's not gonna last at all. It's just not even working. This one's not working either.
Oh, I feel like I should be doing this. Let go.
Apparently my handwriting's crap, so Brittany's taken over. What the hell did you do?
It's a bit aggressive.
Yeah. Made the O and the R like 10 times thicker than the T and the H.
Now we have to make the T and the H thicker.
So you can't now. No, it looks like you got a little titty on the anchor. Oh my god.
We'll make them thicker.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Stop making it. Okay, that's fine.
You're scared.
Oh, no. Brittany, you just... Oh my god. All right. Okay. Look, this is the end result. So our new Spade Anchor's name is Thor.
Hammer of the gods.
Now that we've named him Thor, what if our windlass can't pick him up? He might not be the chosen one. We didn't think about that.
You've lost your mind.
What if I'm the chosen one? Think about it. You might have to learn how to drive the boat now, because if he doesn't let you take him up, I'm going to have to be dropping anchor from now on, hey? That's a good view of Sunday. What's up?
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Every day is a good morning. Currently editing. We're sitting here in lockdown in quarantine because we are here from Tunisia. We had some packages sent to Malta in plans of being there. One of them was my mom sent like a care package for us from home in Canada, which also included Ryan's birthday present, and obviously we weren't able to get to Malta to go pick it up. So luckily we had some friends that we know who are good friends of Impavidus who were in Malta, and they were literally right next to the yacht club where we had our package delivered. So Ryan's just gone over to them on the tender. They arrived yesterday to pick up our package. I'm so excited.
You're excited. Is this my birthday present?
And look, my niece drew a big drawing for us. I can already smell something coming out of it.
Yeah, it's my French vanilla coffee.
How do you know?
Because I just know your mum knows I love it. Oh no! Yeah, it's sunscreen.
Yes!
No, this is bullshit. It's meant to be my...
Mom, I didn't know I told you I needed these.
Oh, look.
Kira made me a
Watch out, there's sunscreen everywhere.
But it's got sunscreen on it.
They got a bit of a sunscreen on them.
Mom sent Ryan new boxers because I told her that all Ryan's
no.
have holes in them.
Oh, look, you got your hollandaise. You're so
sauce.
funny.
This is the best hollandaise sauce in a pack.
Oh, look, here's the French vanilla. Your mum's put it in a bag. Oh, is that that's hot chocolate?
Hot chocolate.
All right.
Okay, so we had a minor inconvenience with the sunscreen. I asked Mum to send us sunscreen, so cheap compared to Europe. A boy's sunscreen for Ryan and a girl's sunscreen for me. If anybody knows this sunscreen, it smells the best. It makes your skin feel friggin' amazing. So.
And Sheila, I want some thongs too. It's my birthday. It's not fair. It's not even your birthday.
Mum sent me some foundation, a waterproof mascara. Ryan's already making himself a hot chocolate. Good morning. I feel like my thing is now just saying good morning to you guys every single time I turn the camera on. It's been really windy the last 24 hours. I'll show you. So it has been blowing a gale. There's dusk over there. That's a boat that we don't know, and then that's Impavidus and Eternite. As you can see, it is blowing like crazy. It wasn't too bad, but just enough to kind of keep us on our toes. Like we woke up every couple hours, just checked our anchor watch, checked to make sure we hadn't moved, because the holding here isn't like super good. Anyways, so it looks like it's just gonna be a day of kind of puttering around the boat. There's not really much else we can do at the moment. So I think we're about day 7 in quarantine, and we're going to a barbecue over on dusk. We're all quarantining together, so we get to socialize with each other at least. We're all in the same quarantine boat. So I'm about to marinate some chicken. Bye.
Look, he's ready to go. Jackson, this is your first little dinghy ride of the summer.
Freedom! Jackson, you're free! Yay! Oh my god, we just found a tuna graveyard. Why would they throw them on this side? And look at how huge they are.
Look at them over there. That's really sad, isn't it?
Makes me wonder if it's like illegal to fish them.
Well, they're probably bluefin. Isn't bluefin illegal?
There's something seriously...
Jackson! Get back. Good boy.
You can't really tell from the camera, but they're honestly the size of like cows.
Oh, we're back. Hey, mate.